Hello, and welcome to COVID-19 Weekly Updates. For the last few months, our team has been providing you the latest updates regarding the situation in Vietnam, and now we would like to introduce weekly video updates for those who would like to stay up to date via our Facebook and YouTube channels. So let's get started. Here are the latest updates from this week.
From August 17th till the morning of August 22nd, the Vietnam Ministry of Health has officially announced 45 new COVID-19 cases, including 8 cases in HANOI, 6 cases in Quang Nam, 23 cases in Da Nang, 2 cases in Hanoi, and 6 cases quarantined on arrival. Previously, the E hospital in Hanoi was locked down due to a positive case announced on August 19th. However, with the confirmed test results from the National Institute of Hygiene and Epidemiology and the Hospital for Tropical Diseases, the Ministry of Health removed the patient, number 994, from the list of people infected with SARS-CoV-2. One new death related to COVID-19 was also recorded. Thus, Vietnam has recorded 1,007 cases, 25 fatalities, and 542 recovered cases. The COVID-19 outbreak in Da Nang and nearby Quang Nam province has been brought under control with the decreasing number of new cases recorded in recent days, according to Acting Minister of Health Nguyen Thanh Lam in the meeting of the National Guidance Committee for COVID-19 Prevention and Control in Hanoi on August 20th. He added that the situation in the northern province of HANOI has also been basically controlled with no new infections reported over the last 2 days. On vaccine research, a representative from the Ministry of Health said 4 domestic producers are researching vaccines against COVID-19, namely the Company for Vaccine and Biological Production No. 1, VABiotech, the Centre for Research and Production of Vaccine and Biological Products, Polyvac, the Institute for Vaccine and Biological Products, IVAC, and the Nanogen Company. The Ministry has been maintaining close connection with other countries such as Russia, the UK, and the US that are conducting vaccine study and development.
In other COVID-related news, 4 Vietnamese men have been arrested for coronavirus PPE scam targeting U.S. buyers. Vietnamese police have arrested 4 men accused of defrauding more than 5,000 Americans trying to buy COVID-19 protective equipment online. The Ministry of Public Security said on Thursday that the men gained almost $1 million from the fraud. The arrests of the 4 men, aged between 22 and 36, were made following a joint investigation by the Ministry and U.S. Department of Homeland Security's Office of Homeland Security Investigations, the Ministry said in a statement on its website. In March, the group began operating 110 websites that offered personal protective equipment, including hand sanitizers, masks, and disinfectant wipes, and received money from Americans via their PayPal accounts, the ministry said. The ministry also added that the 4 had been charged with appropriation of property using a computer network, telecommunications network, or electronic device, a crime that carries a prison term of up to 20 years.
Ho Chi Minh City cordoned off 17 households as patient retest positive for COVID-19. Ho Chi Minh City officials have barricaded a residential area after a recovered COVID-19 patient who lives there retested positive. The patient, 27-year-old TDC, lives on Quai Ngop House Street, Hoa Than Ward, Ton Phu District, the centre said. The Ho Chi Minh City Centre for Disease Control said on Thursday that it had detected a recovered patient retesting positive for the virus. C had tested positive for the pathogen in Equatorial Guinea, a Central African country. The man arrived in Hanoi on July 29 on a flight that carried 217 Vietnamese returnees from the African country. They were all quarantined upon arrival.
In response to the second outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, Hanoi decided to temporarily suspend activities on Hoan Kim Walking Street from August 21st until further notice. The Ministry of Health urges recovered COVID-19 patients to donate plasma. People who are eligible for plasma donation will meet directly with the doctors from the National Hospital for Tropical Diseases. They must be between 18 and 65 years old, weigh more than 50 kilos for men or 45 kilos for women, have recovered from COVID-19, and have been discharged for at least 14 days prior. These subjects will be offered free screening tests for diseases such as hepatitis B, HIV, syphilis, and others to ensure eligibility. Plasma recipients are 18 to 75-year-old COVID-19 patients who have been diagnosed with SARS-CoV-2 infection by RT-PCR tests from oropharyngeal specimens, meeting all selection criteria and who were absent for any exclusion criteria under the research protocol. Patients who have recovered from COVID-19 who want to donate plasma can contact the hotline 1900-3228 or contact the Hospital Social Affairs Department directly.
Thanks for watching. The news has been provided by COVID-19 in Vietnam. Video and image sources have been cited. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.